Hello children, I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn 3-letter words by using vowels for UKG kids. Shall we children? Okay, in the previous sessions we have learnt the 3-letter words by using the vowels A and then E. First of all, you have to say me what are the vowels children? What are the vowel letters? See? Yes, very good. A, E, I, O, U. Am I right? Very good children. We have learned the 3-letter words by using first 2 vowels A and E, right? So, in this class we are going to learn some other 3-letter words by using the vowel letter I. Shall we children? It's very good. Let's listen to me carefully. The first 3-letter word is lip. What picture is this children? Yes, lip. L-I-P, lip. What is the spelling of lip? Yes, L-I-P, lip. Everyone wants to touch your lip? Yes, here it is. Very good children. It is one of our body parts, right? Yes, good children. Now listen. Let's write the spelling of the word lip in the 4-line page, okay? What you are going to do for that? Take your 4-line note and then sharp your pencil. Okay children, let's listen. Write with me. Alaha ma'am kudave neenga enna pannanum? Ezhudikitte varanum. Okay va? First listen. Top red line, top blue line, bottom blue line and then bottom red line, right? First listen my dears. Keep your pencil on the second line. Okay? From here, go up, touch the top line, come down with the straight line and then write a curve like this. Okay, what letter is this children? L. Very good. From here, I and then P. So, what word is this? L-I-P, lip. What word is that? Yes, lip. This is the first 3-letter word of this session, right? Very good. Next, see here. What picture is this? What is this children? Yes, it is a dustbin, right? B-I-N, bin. What is it? Bin. Okay. Now listen children. நம்ம கீழே நிறைய குப்பைலாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா செல்லும், அதெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? அப்படியே கீழே விட்டுறணுமா? என்ன பண்ண செல்லும்? We have to pick them up and then put it in the dustbin, right children? We have to put our wastages in the dustbin only. Don't throw your wastages here and there. இங்கேயும் அங்கேயும் உங்களுடைய வேஸ்டான திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் போடக்கூடாது. ஓகே, நான் அது வேஸ்ட் தான் அப்படின்னு நம்ம முடிவு பண்ணிட்டோம்னா you have to keep them in the dustbin. Okay children? Very good. So, let's write the spelling of the word bin in the 4 lines. Now listen. Keep your pencil on the top line. Straight line. Go up and then B. Finish the letter B like this with a small circle and then I, N. B-I-N, bin. What word is this children? B-I-N, bin. Repeat it again. What is the spelling of the word bin? Yes, B-I-N, bin. Good. The next one is, see my dears, what is it? Yes, this is a picture of some of the SIM cards, right? நீங்க SIM கார்டுனா என்னன்னு தெரியுமா சொல்லும்? பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா SIM கார்டு நீங்க? Nowadays we are using mobile phones, right? Right. Mobile phones நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். Okay. With the help of the SIM card only we can make a call, talk to anyone and then we can use the internet also. Okay children? So SIM card is very essential to our day-to-day life, right? So what is the spelling of SIM? S-I-M, SIM. Okay children? Good. let's write the spelling of the word sim. Keep your pencil on the third line, okay. From here, start from the bend, go up and write the S like this, okay. Then listen, I-M, S-I-M, sim. What word is this? S-I-M, sim. Good. What is the next one we are going to learn? What is this? Yes, this is the nib of a pen, right? The short part of the pen is called nib, okay. நம்மளுடைய பென்னுடைய nib எப்படி இருக்கும் சொல்லும்? ஷார்ப்பா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? With the help of that sharp nib only, we can write whatever we need neatly and அழகாவும் எழுத முடியும். சரியா? Very good. So, let's write the spelling of the word nib, okay. See here, keep your pencil on the third line, okay. See from here, N, I, B, N, I, B, nib. What is the spelling of the word nib? N, I, B, nib. Very good, my dears. So, what about the next word? What is it, children? It is a fruit, right? What is the name of this fruit? And the fruit name is fig. F-I-G, fig. What fruit is this? Yes, fig. F-I-G, fig. Very good. Let's write the spelling. See here. F. First listen, children. First you have to make a bend line like this. From here come down with the standing line. Finish it with the upward open curve. Okay. Inside. Now listen. In the standing line you have to put a sleeping line in between that. Okay. So this is the letter F. And then see. I, G, F-I-G, fig. It is a fruit, right? F-I-G, fig. Very good, dears. So, what is the next word? See here, what the man is doing. என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க சொல்லுங்க, நல்லா பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க மேம்க்கு. என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னா, நம்மளுடைய லேண்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, லேண்ட் சர்ஃபேஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை டிக் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. டிக் பண்றதுனா என்ன? நோண்டுறது, ஓகேங்களா? So see here, dig, dig. If we want to plant a seed in the land, means in the soil, in the sand, means we have to dig the land somehow, right? சொல்லும் நம்ம ஒரு சின்ன விதையை மண்ணுக்குள்ள போடணும் அப்படின்னாலும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண சொல்லும், என்ன பண்ணுவோம், மண்ணை டிக் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்குள்ள சீட் வச்சுட்டு நம்ம க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுவோம், ரைட்டா? தட் ஆக்ஷன் இஸ் கால்ட் டிகிங், ஓகேவா? அதுதான் டிக் பண்றதுன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஓகே? Now listen. Now we are going to write the spelling of the word here. Keep your pencil on the top red line. From here, come down with the standing line, make a bend and then left open curve, finish it with the small upward open curve, okay? So this is the letter D, I, G, dig, D-I-G, dig. Very good. Next, see here. What picture is this, children? Yes, this is the picture of kid. K-I-D, kid. Kid is nothing but the baby of goat is called kid, okay? Goat and kid. Already we have learnt in young ones, right, children? Yes, very good. So, K-I-D, kid, okay? Shall we write it, children? Shall we write it? Listen. Keep your pencil on the second line. From here, slanting, standing, upward open curve, okay? Then listen. Slanting, again slanting, I, D, K-I-D, kid. What is the spelling of the word kid? K-I-D, kid. Very good, children. My dear children, so far we have learned some of the three-letter words by using the vowel I, right, children? Shall we recall once? Yes, you have to say all those words which we learned in this class. I am going to write it on the board, okay? What is the first word we have learned? What is tell me? Yes, you're correct. Lip. L I P. Lip. Very good. What is the next one? Yes. Sim. Yes. I M. Sim. Okay. What about the third one? Nib. Good, my dears. N I B. Nib. Superb. What is the next one? What? Yes. Kid. K I D. Kid. Superb. Yes, the next word is dig. D I G. Dig. What is the next one? Yes, you are right. Fig. F I G. Fig. Okay, what about the final one, children? Yes, bin. B I N. Bin. Very good. Have you noticed one thing, children? I have used only the vowel letter I in the middle of the two consonants. Have you ever noticed it? Gavanachingla chillo? Yes. So, these letters are called also I sound words. What is it, children? I S O U N D. Sound words. W O R D S. Words. So, these words are also known as I sound words. Okay, children? Very good. I hope you all enjoyed this session. For the further clarification, we have attached study material, question bank and question paper in the below description. In that, now I am going to explain the question bank for you. Okay? First, see here, the first Roman in the question bank is look at the pictures and tick the answer. Okay? கொஞ்சம் pictures இருக்கு. இதுக்கான 2 options இருக்கு. So, correctான option நீங்க tick பண்ணணும். Okay வா? So, the next one is write the missing letters. Okay வா? நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய words இங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதுல ஒரு letter miss ஆகி இருக்கும். So, அந்த letterஐ நீங்க identify பண்ணி correctா எழுதிரணும். Okay? The third Roman is look at the pictures and write their names. Okay வா? picture இருக்கு. pictureக்கு கீழ இருக்க dashesல நீங்க அதனுடைய correctான name spelling எழுதணும். Okay வா children? Good. So, you have to practice these words at your home properly. Okay children? Do the self assessment neatly. Meet you in the next class, dears. Bye bye. Thank you.